Hey guys, welcome to another video of Deals, Rides, and Adventures. Thanks for stopping by and watching the video today. Today we're going to do a little video messing around the garage. Got a few little things I'm going to do this fat boy. Thanks for all the subscribers. Thanks for the new. And if you're a new subscriber, guys, stop by and hit that like and subscribe button. But today we're going to put on a good old battery tender cable on the battery. Got a brand new battery in here, and we just got to plug her positive and negative up and get her box hooked up to the little port right here. But I'm gonna get me some tool here and take off the seat, get me a ratchet, pull y'all over here. This thing's got a little bitty solo seat on here. It's not as comfortable as something with that better seat would be, but he's got my son-in-law, this is his bike, and he's got another seat. I think it's a factory Harley seat. I'll put it back on after we get done here. But had some time after this evening and thought I would do that. I'll fix this camera angle here just a minute, guys. I'll get the cables, my positive and negative, off the battery here. Hope you guys have been doing good. Been staying busy every day through the week, working long hours, and just not had time to do any videos, guys. I know several of y'all know how that is, but just busy with work and all, you know. You don't never get no time off, or Saturday's the only time I get off, and I'm not going to spend every Saturday on the bike. I got to spend time with the family too, you know. Man's got to spend time with his wife and make sure he don't neglect her, because that ain't gonna be good. Oh, come on, little screw. Make sure it takes threads. What y'all think about this temperature change, guys? For me, I love it. I love the cooler temperatures. Fall's right around the corner. Unfortunately, it's come up on us quick, and I hope it don't come up on us too quick, because I took off a week in the second week of October, actually, and I'm wanting to do some fall riding. That's my favorite time of the year. Do some fall riding. I'd rather ride in the fall than dead summer any day. Put on a set of thermals. I put on a set of thermals and flannel under the shirts and the jackets and be just fine. So it's really easy, guys. So all we're doing is taking off the positive and negative screws, and the little positive and negatives right here. We're just putting it on top or under the little battery terminal here. I like it. I like these older model bikes. Battery's a whole lot easier to get to than the newer model. Newer model bikes are buried underneath that, all those wires, and man, they're just It's a whole lot harder to get to and takes more time. This here, all you do is raise the seat up, and it's there. Raise the seat up and it's there, just like that. Get it good and tight, because we want to make a good connection. I'm gonna do this right here and run it down the side of the brace of that frame. And that way his charger is there, and when I unhook it from the charge and get ready to ride it, one of us do, we can just curl it back around. Hope you guys can see this well and got a good video. I don't do a whole lot of installs really, so I'm gonna step right here and get this seat. All right, guys, I have this nice, it's a 2-up seat. The rear passenger pad is not very big. A small person can fit there on it okay. But this seat here, as you see, is it's got an HD logo here on the rear. And it's got some conchos at the side of it here. I've got some leather cleaner or some Armor All. I'm gonna clean the seat up later and make it look better. The back of it, it's got the little, so let's put this down here to see it a little bit more. All right, let's see what we got. There we go. And I'm gonna tighten the seat up back here at the back. I got a screw hole there. Let's see what that feels like right here. I'm sure it's gonna be more comfortable than the little old seat that I had on there. Oh yeah, that's more comfortable, guys. That is a whole lot more comfortable than a real small seat. That's a little more comfortable to ride. I could spend more time on the bike with that seat. So it looks good. The seat does. I'm gonna lower, get a better camera view here at it and let you guys see it. But it's a good looking seat. Looks pretty good on the bike, I think. What do y'all think? I also have a, or he has, I should say, he has a sissy bar rack with a sissy bar pillion pad and everything. I'll put it on another day. But I just want to do a little video, and I hadn't done one in a while. I wanted to do another video, and I got 3 bikes in the garage now, guys. I've got this beautiful 05 Electric Glide. I gotta do a detailed job on it, so that'll be a video for another day. I rode it the other day and the bugs covered it up. But hope you guys out there is doing well. Hope y'all getting a ride, enjoying this fall weather, and all that good stuff. Fall is around the corner, and hope you guys are able to ride on the Saturdays and Sundays. Maybe get a ride through the week. I don't know, but several of us and some of us have to work through the week and we don't get a ride and all that good stuff. I work long hours and get in late at the evening time, and you just don't feel like doing much of nothing instead of coming in and rest, spending time with the family. But that's the end of the video, and I'd like to thank you guys for watching, and hit that like and subscribe button, and God bless y'all.